Yo guys, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabay Entertainment. Ndiyavuqala uJanuary. uJanuary busy kanje in my entire blogging life ke sana. Anyways, currently ku Facebook sana simiswe ngospeech noMandisi. It's speech versus uMandisi. In fact, all of this stems from the fact that they are both siding banama-side kuNozi versus uMaskhomo, the Daniels versus the Mayabas. Okay, so I'm sure most of you guys have seen intoba uSpeech is in favor of uNozi and has been coming for uMaskhomo. Went as far ke ngoku when was coming for uMaskhomo trying ukuchaza intoba ayo plagiarism incwadi kaSisinozi, went as far ke ngokuba eyokhumbulula into zakhe zakudala, intoba kaloku wena uzozikhumbula intoba wafike wabhidliza umtshato womntu, the ex-wife rather, mangathi umntu, the ex-wife went as far as going to a mental institution because of wena wangena. But ke ebemkwekwa, you guys, but I'm sure you've seen that post. So uMandisi was responding to lo post. There's many things ke ezipostwe nguspeech, but uMandisi specifically responded to la post leyana. Uthi hayibo, utata uSpeech lo had a whole speech about me being a bully ngenxa yale content yami namhlanje nguye unjalo ke lo Thixo uyayibhenca imofi, guys. Some things ke abazithethayo, it's just like I'm not going to be able to say them because they are straight talkers, both uMandisi and uSpeech, right? So some time ago last year, uSpeech was calling out on uMandisi intoba ha-abhuti, your entire content nje isoloke kwekwa abantu, why ungakwazi ukuzenzela i-content uhlukane phansi naba, you are a big bully. So that was uSpeech coming for ke uMandisi sometime last year. So obviously now, guys, uMandisi feels like uSpeech abuse abani, ex-wife ka Mr. Daniel, and also the current wife ekunguMaskhomo, because uyatsho uMandisi intoba you don't have to go as far as going to umjolo wakhe intoba badibana kanjani if you are trying to get your point across and stating that uMaskhomo irongo into ebeyitsho. You should have just wena udile nalento ayitshileyo ku TikTok uMaskhomo ngoNozi, and not come uyokhumbulula noba i-ex-wife yangena kwi-mental institution. You are a big bully, okay? So uyatsho ke uMandisi apha uthi, hey, uta ex had me trending the whole week apha, calling me ne-influencers zase i-bullies ngela xesha yena phofu wayepheshe eyosikisa amanqatha, namhlanje nguye okwazi ukubhulisha uMrs. Daniel. Yo, hamba technology, la technologia. So uye waphendula ke uSpeech. Obviously, there are some people that are now going as far as saying Speech versus uMandisi. So this was the response ke kaSpeech, you guys. Uthi ke imigwenge efana noMandisi ke bethunana, they are beneath me. Asidlali nothonqo apha. We are serious. Likokoroshe nje that uses me to be relevant whenever he feels irrelevant. Kanene uhola ngoFacebook uToto. My bad. I can't relate. Oops. I challenged him to a live. Ayeke ukubhala ububhanqa and be hyped nini. Makathethe inyani about why he has been bitter over the years. Nina, you entertain things without questioning them. Have you ever wondered why this kid is obsessed with me and has a social return to write about me every year? He knows the truth. He must tell you guys the truth. Who is Mandisi nakum? Nimxelele ke ndizomphinda ngeza goodies. Guys, I think you know that line alone, ndizamphinda ngeza goodies. So many people were confused because uMandisi ngo-October obviously wake walahleka ku-Facebook. Some people went as far as thinking uyo auditionela i-Big Brother or something happened to him. Watrenda nje kwathiwa uswelekile. Yanintsi, guys, into ngoMandisi, okay? So kukhona abantu that are of the view that inoba it ended in court Don sana between uMandisi noSpeech at that time, but ke akayichazanga kakuhle intoba yintoni lena eyamenza intoba ade athi go missing or take a break of social media break, especially on Facebook, because allegedly he makes a lot of money there on Facebook. So it wouldn't make sense for him to really be taking a break. So now, of course, you guys, uMandisi shame, yamphatha kabuhlungu le ndawo yoba wenza imali uhola ngo-Facebook udodo, ya understand. So uye waphendula wathi ulibele le ndawo ithi engineer ezange aye eDubai ngebhenze ke sisi xhego le-BI Biaush endala. Utsho ke bani? Utsho uMandisi, you guys. uta uye wamphendula akamyekanga wathi hayibo, who did? Okay, uphendula laa ndawo ithi yena akayanga eDubai ngebhenze. Uyatsho uta uba who did? Oh my dear, you can just Google us bethuna. Oh, it's you Mandisi. Ndiza kuphinda ke baby. Yile nto ke sibuzayo, he ndiza kuphinda xa bekutheni. Then ke i-fans zikaMandisi nazo ke zimhyper. Kukhona othi ungcono wena mzala, you are not funding your lifestyle ngorhoshela amaSomalia phayana ke eDubai. So obviously uspeech ngoku emane esithi ndiza kuphinda ke baby. Abantu they are confused into yoba inoba bayazana under the white sheets, these two ithini into. So uMandisi did not like that trend, so uye wahamba waya kwi-archives wayothatha i-post eyayipostwe nguspeech sometime last year. Ethi ke le post to whoever this concerns, since you guys are in this business of pitting people against each other, let me make this clear. I don't know Mandisi. We've never met, never exchanged a word in person. I don't hate the guy, and I have no ill feelings towards him. I don't hate people I do not know, and even online, I have never, intertwined with him. We have never engaged, collaborated, or crossed paths in any meaningful way. So this was after uMandisi went missing allegedly phayana ke Facebook, or took a Facebook break, you guys. So uyaphendula ke uMandisi ukugxiniselela kwaba bantu abathi noba bayazana aba boyi-2 ku-white sheets. So uthi ke akandazi nyani shame, so I'm concerned about these goodies ekuthethwa ngazo, yeah, understand. So then ke ngoku yatrenda into the entire day. Guess what? Kuthe kusenjalo, hayibo, nanko ke ngoku uspeech is going over to his Instagram account to say, guys, my Facebook has been hacked. I cannot log in. You can hack my account, but you will never silence the truth. Aibo, imagine silencing me on Facebook and hacking my account because you want to push your narrative. Now that's really dark and evil. Ask yourself why they are silencing me, because they know. So ke uMandisi uyaphendula once again to lento echongo speech ukuthi sithanda sami, nobody hacked your Facebook uchomi, wena ubaleka iDaniels because uyazazi uthetha igaga ngazo since ungakwazi ukuyimela. You are hiding behind being hacked, and you are not silent. Give us our goodies apho ku Instagram, khona no X, khona no TikTok, singalindi i-goodies. So isa ende kanjalo ke ibifu ka Ta-M versus Da-S. Should anything else come up, guys, most definitely ndizobuya ndizon-update guys, andizokwazi u-editha 8 minutes long video. Just trust yonke into endinixelela kule video because I'm reading from Facebook everything, okay? Your thoughts must engage. And shortly. Bye guys.